Ellie here with Fancy Sprinkles, and we're giving Mom a day off. Today we're going to be making fancy pancakes using the D'Or Gâteau Kit, which stands for the Golden Cake. Nick and Andrew will be joining us to make these golden pancakes. Before we begin, let's grab our ingredients. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1¼ cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. For our decorations, we're going to be using Fancy Sprinkles D'Or Gâteau Kit, which comes with Lucy in the Sky Sugar Blend, Fool's Gold Prism Powder, and Calamine Pink Easy Candy. Combine flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt in a large mixing bowl. In a large measuring cup, combine the egg, milk, and melted butter. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and gently fold them together until well combined, but still a little lumpy. Do not overmix or else your pancakes will not be fluffy. Heat a griddle or non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt a little butter to grease it. Pour batter onto the pan and let it spread out into a round pancake. Allow pancake to cook until bubbles appear on the surface and the edges are set. Then flip and cook until golden. Now let's make them fancy. Prep your easy candy. Warm up easy candy in the microwave at 30-second intervals, kneading the pouch by hand in between until fully melted. Once easy candy is melted, cut the tip of the pouch and drizzle over pancakes.